Hi folks, today we'll unbox Reolink TrackMix PoE, a 4K dual lens PTZ with hybrid zoom and auto tracking. We'll unbox it and dig into the tech to see what makes it different from normal PTZs. The box looks standard for a consumer security unit, typically clean Reolink branding, and model, icons, and a quick spec list on the bottom. This is the PoE version, so power transfer and data streaming is over Ethernet. I'll show you what's inside and highlight the specs you should care about. Dual lens, dual tracking, 4K, hybrid zoom, PoE, and color night vision with spotlights. Inside the box, we have a user manual folder along with a protected by Reolink sticker and a box with a standard LAN cable, mounting screws, and weatherproof lid for the LAN connection. Up next, we have the PoE TrackMix camera itself. Out of the box, the TrackMix feels substantial, heavier than a simple bullet camera. The housing is weatherproof, and the design is a classic PTZ dome with a lower black gimbal section and a white upper body. First glance, dual lens window, spotlight array, and robust mounting bracket. What all is included in the box? So you have the Reolink TrackMix PoE camera along with its mounting bracket. You have the standard mounting screws, a LAN cable for initially setting up the PoE camera, and the weatherproofing lid. Finally, you have the Reolink folder with the operational manual, a protected by Reolink sticker, and an installation template, which is super handy for drilling holes to install the camera. Some hardware highlights. The TrackMix has a dual lens design, a wide angle lens for overview, and a telephoto lens for close-up details. That's how the TrackMix can give both a scene view and a zoom subject view simultaneously. It supports 8 megapixel 4K capture, which is great for reading number plates at a distance when zoomed in. 6x hybrid zoom. The TrackMix supports 6 times hybrid zoom via a combination of optical and digital to keep close-ups readable while retaining flexibility. Pan and tilt range. The TrackMix supports up to 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt, so it can almost fully rotate. Color night vision. The built-in spotlights provide color images at night. From some testing, the spotlights are roughly 450 lumens. It also has IR for black and white up to 30 meters. Audio. The TrackMix supports two-way audio, mic plus speaker for live talk. Local storage. The TrackMix has a micro SD card which can support local storage up to 512 GB, and it works with Reolink NVRs or FTP for continuous recording. Video codecs. The TrackMix supports H.264 and H.265 for efficient storage. The TrackMix's headline feature is auto zoom tracking. The camera detects a subject using the wide lens, which can be a person, vehicle, or a pet, then uses the tele-lens to zoom in automatically, tracking a subject across the scene while keeping a close-up and overview. This gives dual tracking capability, both wide and televiews update. It's ideal for driveways or gardens where you want context plus readable close-ups. Because this is the PoE model, it follows IEEE 802.3af standard PoE for power and data over a single Ethernet cable, so no separate 12-volt supply. That simplifies the install quite a lot. Power it from a PoE switch, a PoE injector, or a PoE NVR. PoE also gives lower latency than Wi-Fi for PTZ control and live view. Recording and storage options. You get flexible recording with the TrackMix. Record to a micro SD card up to 512 GB for local clips. Record to a Reolink NVR for 24/7 storage, or push to an FTP server. No monthly fee is necessary for local or NVR recording. This is very important if you prefer a subscription-free setup. Some quick tips for the Reolink TrackMix PoE. The camera can be ceiling or wall mounted using the provided bracket. The motion tracking is great for people or vehicle tracking, but fast-moving motorcycles or occluded subjects can still confuse any auto tracking system, so you should test your detection zones well. Privacy. Because the TrackMix rotates and zooms, double-check your local regulations and neighbor sight lines before installation. Lighting. The spotlights give color night footage, but they can affect your camera's stealth. Consider IR mode if you want discrete recording. To summarize, the Reolink TrackMix PoE is a heavy-duty consumer PTZ with dual-lens 4K, 6x hybrid zoom, dual-view tracking, and PoE for robust NVR integration. It is excellent if you want readable close-ups, plus an overview without subscriptions. It's great for driveways, small business fronts, and larger yards. Furthermore, it offers easy integration into a smart home platform like Home Assistant using RTSP. In the next video, we'll do a full installation of the Reolink TrackMix PoE with a Reolink PoE NVR, along with a live demo. Subscribe and hit the bell if you don't want to miss that. Drop any questions down below and I'll cover them in the install video.